All right, welcome back everybody. Top left corner are the colors that I'll be using today, the blue, the yellow, and this purple. And then I'm also going to use alcohol ink blending solution. It helps spread the alcohol ink, as you can see that I'm doing here, using the straw and the airbrush. And so this video, I don't feel like I really should narrate it because this is abstract. This is just me going off of instinct and just kind of doing what feels good in the moment. And like I've said before, I don't narrate while I'm doing the art because it's just too hard for me to talk and focus at the same time. And I do this art because I love it and I want to have the experience of doing the art. So for me, like the art and having fun with it is a priority, and then videotaping it is the second priority. And I don't mean like I don't want to share it with you guys, but why are we here except to really enjoy what we're doing? It's a real art workspace. So that's why I come back later and narrate. But this one again is like pretty feral. It's abstract, and I'm just really doing what looks cool in the moment, what I want to tweak in the moment, and I don't have a lot of narration for this one. One thing I would like to do is tell stories. I'm a storyteller. I used to be a journalist, and I really want to build a community. Like I would love to have, you guys as friends, and we can chat and just, really enjoy the art and share our lives together. So I want to tell some stories about the past couple of years of my life. I want to do it too because I think it'll help some people, because art has really helped me heal and helped me really process a lot of pain. We've all been through it. We've all been through it the past few years with COVID and the lockdown and blah, blah, blah. I don't want to get into all of that because we all share different experiences of the last few years. But I think one thing that we can all share together is that the world has been a lot more challenging than it was before COVID. And then even before COVID, things were getting a little harder. So I like to use art to heal. I do use it as an escape, if that's the right term to use, in the sense of, are we escaping or just creating other experiences? But I would love to heal. I would love to hear how art has helped you heal. Maybe you can tell me a story in the comments. And if you say use my story, I would love to tell your story in another video. Because I have tons of stories. Some of them are sob stories. Like, it's just been a rough few years. And I don't want to overtell the sob stories. I mean, I would love to because it would just, be great therapy. But that's it. How about we use art as therapy and we can have conversations? I would love to go live if anyone would love to go live with me, and we could just chit chat while we do art, and we can kind of like show each other's art. I can do like a split screen. That would be a lot of fun. But I definitely need your guys' engagement to do stuff like that, just because I would need someone else to do it with. But it would be fun. Like, this is what YouTube was meant to be. It was meant to be engaging and sharing and fun and just real, right? I miss real, and I'm as real as it gets. So, all right, I'm just going to let you guys enjoy the rest of this video and stories to come. I'm going to try the stories in the shorts and then have expanded stories here. I'm going to try and come up with some really good stories too, like stuff that doesn't seem whiny, because I also don't want to whine for like 15 minutes. So let me know what you think. If you just want the art and music, or if you like the engagement and you want to chit chat, just let me know. But I'm going to let you guys just enjoy the rest of this because it's pretty much, like I said, free flowing. It's abstract and it's just really going off of instinct. So I hope you like it, and let me know. Let me know what you think about it. If it's cool, if it's like meh, if it's basic, let me know. All right, you guys take care. And like, subscribe. Don't forget to hit the like button. It really does help the channel. If you can engage, that also helps the channel. And then, of course, if you share and get your friends to subscribe. So here we go, or let's finish this up. All right, you guys, I just wanted to come back in softly because we're getting towards the end of the video. It's about another 90 seconds. I'm just going to tweak here a little bit, but I'm going to stop tweaking here in a moment because I don't want to over tweak. I'm really happy. I love the colors. I'm excited about this. And it was fun to make and just kind of zone out and play with beautiful colors. So please don't forget to smash the like button. Don't forget to subscribe and please comment. I really would love to hear from you. And, you know, any stories you want to tell about how art has healed you. And then also write in there, you know, you can share this story. All right, take care, guys. Be safe out there and just spread love, light, and happiness and dopamine hits. Bye.